guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a little yarn haul slash review on this just yarn premier worsted weight yarn, and it is 131 yards per skein, 2.11 ounces. It's a size 4 worsted weight, and it uses a 5mm crochet hook. Wait, no, that's for knitting. A 5.5 crochet hook, sorry. And it is machine washable, and you can dry it too. So I think this yarn for $1 is a great deal. It's really squishy, really soft. This one's in the color crepe. I hope I'm saying that right. And then this one's one of my favorites, called Juniper, and I actually designed a beanie with this this color, and I really love it. So yeah, you guys, if you have a dollar store, go and check your stores and see if they carry this yarn. It's not a new yarn, but it is new to my store. For some reason, my dollar store always takes forever to carry all the good stuff, so I barely found these nice colors at my store. And I also found this other really pretty color, and this one's just called burgundy. I think it's perfect for this time of the year. I think they have a lot of colors for winter right now, because I know they had like pinks and other stuff during the summer, but I just couldn't find any on my store. But I'm glad I found these. And I also got this black color, and it's called Night. So yeah, you guys, if you guys have been wanting to try this premier just yarn, go and check your dollar stores. They really are worth it. They are super soft, way softer than the Red Heart Super Saver for sure. I think this is gonna be one of my favorite yarns. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I highly recommend these yarns. And just as a disclaimer, this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, so just throwing that out there. So yeah, oh, and also I wanted to show you my hat that I designed with the juniper color. I still need to weave in the ends, but I'll do that soon. Look at this beautiful palm. I'll put in the description below where I got this palm in case you're interested. So yeah, I used the stitch, the extended half double crochet, and I have the tutorial on YouTube already. So I will have a tutorial for this hat soon, but first I'm gonna get it out to my testers. So yeah, if you're interested, go check my Instagram and you can see all the updates. So all in all, I highly recommend this yarn. It doesn't split, it's really soft, it's $1, and with one skein of this yarn I made the toddler and the child sizes for my hat, And I did end up using a little bit more of like, just a little, slightly more than another skein for my adult hat. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.